stop doing whatever you're doing right now, and I want you to pay attention to this video real quick, all right? What have you done up until this point? Have you saved? Do you have anything invested? Have you even started a business yet? Don't worry about it because most people haven't, so don't sweat it, okay? It's not too late to start now. It's not too late to start to capitalize on an industry, on one of the fastest growing industries and the most unsaturated niches it is globally, okay? Now, I know you're probably trying to figure out what it is that I'm talking about right now, but cryptocurrency is what you need to be invested in, all right? Now, let's take a look at cryptocurrency over the past few years, okay? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that you probably should be all familiar with by now, okay? And over the past 7 years, this thing has increased over 1,000 times, all right? The market cap is about 10.5 billion, okay? And the average trading value is about 50 to 150 billion dollars, okay? Any piece of a billion is enough for me, all right? Next is Ethereum. Ethereum is like the second, it's considered Bitcoin 2.0. For the year, just look at it at the year. The last year, Ethereum has grown more than 30 times, has a market cap of over $1 billion, and an average trading turnover is about 30 to 60 billion dollars. Okay. Now, last but not least, we're dealing with some of the trending topics, okay, of the cryptocurrency industry, and this is Steemit. Steemit is a social media platform that actually pays its users to post quality content and to upvote other quality content, okay? For the past 3 months, it increased over 10 times, and the market cap is like 350 million, and the average daily turnover is about $1 billion, okay? Now, you can see and actually start to trade some of these cryptocurrencies on some of the exchanges that you see down at the bottom. BTCC, Bitfinex, Kraken, the GDEX, Bittrex, Poloniex, Open Ledger. These are some of the places, some of the leading places where you actually go and trade cryptocurrencies, okay? Now, I know we're talking about all of these cryptocurrencies. We're talking about investing. We're talking about all of that. But where's the money at, all right? Well, check this out, okay? Bitcoin was created 8 years ago by a person or a group of persons using the name Satoshi Nakamoto, okay? Now, Bitcoin is a virtual currency that can be used to buy and sell anything. I'm talking about you can go to the corner store and buy some cupcakes, or you can go to Walmart or Best Buy and buy some electronics. But even, it's people out here that actually using it to actually buy illegal narcotics, guns, and all type of crazy stuff, all right? But anyway, the surge in Bitcoin's value has made millionaires out of the people who loaded up on it early on, okay? I don't care how brief it may have been. Some people got in, cashed out, okay? Now, many of them are self-described libertarians drawn by the idea of a currency that exists outside of the control of the governments. Some were so taken by the concept, they launched their own Bitcoin businesses. Some of them launched exchanges where people can buy and trade the coins or exchange them for dollars, okay? Take a look at it. Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. I don't know if you know these guys, but these are Olympic rowers that actually got involved. Like I say, they positioned themselves, and check it out. Look, they're worth $400 million, okay? Tony Galibri, Roger Ver, Charlie Schramm, Jared Kenner. All of these guys positioned themselves to invest in Bitcoin early on, and next thing you know, they Bitcoin millionaires, right? I might as well throw my face back up there too, because I'ma definitely check a meal off of Bitcoin. All right, now, okay, we know what Bitcoin is, but I was talking about Ethereum at first, right? So now you want to know what Ethereum is, okay? So simply put, Ethereum is a platform for creating decentralized internet applications, okay, that work on the basis of smart contracts. So what Bitcoin does for payments, Ethereum does for anything that can be programmed. All right, now it's often called cryptocurrency 2.0, and it was launched by a 22-year-old prodigy, Vitaly Buterin. All right, now this platform is able to affect the principles of the internet structure. Now, don't worry about it if I'm getting ahead of myself, or it might be a little bit over your head or something like that. Don't worry about that, because Ethtrade is going to be your partner. All right, it's an asset management company, and they're also going to give you education, okay? And you can go get more education and information from Ethtrade.org/Ethereum. Okay. Now, moving right along, right? So what does Ethtrade, what do they offer then, right? Well, first of all, you're gonna be developing with the most dynamic phenomenon of the 21st century. Now, the Ethereum that we're talking about, you're gonna be developing with cryptocurrency as we're talking about, and a blockchain platform. All right. Now these are all very key words. Okay, Ethereum, cryptocurrency, blockchain. All right. So if you want to go do some research on those words and see what you come back with. Okay. Think about if it may be, an interest to you to earn a passive income. And if you don't know what passive income is, I definitely help you out with that. You definitely learn about some passive income. You'll learn about risk management and not making high risk investments. You'll learn a long range of things by being a part of this team and being a part of this company. Okay, like I said, a passive monthly income of 15 to 25% from investing funds into the trading on the world cryptocurrency markets by professional team of traders. Okay, so we have a professional team of traders that's going to actually take your money, and don't worry about how much it is. We're not asking you for thousands of dollars, so you can put your wallet back up. Don't start sweating. Don't jump off of the page. It's not that serious. Okay, but they're going to take your funds, because I know everybody is new in this. They don't know exactly what's going on just yet. So check this out. This company is going to take your funds, invest those funds for you, and they're transparent about it as well, right? So every week they send out weekly reports, weekly financial reports, and they show you exactly how they traded and what they traded. Okay, all right. But anyway, you also get to take advantage of by participating in the affiliate program and making money without even having that investment. Okay, so you don't even need an upfront money. You can get started making money just by inviting other people to be a part of this opportunity. Okay, now you also going to be obtaining, like I said, it is nothing better than obtaining education. All right, you're going to be obtaining theoretical knowledge and practical skills of the cryptocurrency trading. All right, so already is looking good. So now we talked about Bitcoin, we went over Ethereum, but now who is Ethtrade? What do they have to do with it? All right. Well, Ethtrade is an asset management company, okay, and with this team, you're going to be developing with the most dynamic phenomenon of the 21st century. All right, Ethereum, cryptocurrency, and blockchain platform. All right. Now pay attention to those three keywords, because those are what you need to be focused on inside this space. All right. So you probably want to make a mental note of it. Better yet, grab a pen out and just jot the words down. Okay, Ethereum, cryptocurrency, and blockchain platform. All right. Now, also with this company, you're gonna be in a position to earn a passive monthly income from 15 to 25% from investing funds and trading on world cryptocurrency markets. All right, by our team of professional traders. Okay, so you don't have to worry about all of the technical details that go into this stuff. Because our asset management company is in place with a professional team of traders that's going to do all of the heavy lifting for you. Okay. Now, also, even without you investing your own money, you can participate in our affiliate program and make money without investment at all. Only thing you have to do is just share this opportunity with anybody. Okay, your friends, your family, or anybody. Okay, so it's not necessary for you to reach in your pocket and pull your credit card out right now. So don't jump off the page. Don't get scared away. Just stick around. All right. Now, last but not least, and this is the best part, you're going to be obtaining theoretical knowledge and the practical skills of cryptocurrency trading. Okay. Now, education is the most valuable thing that you can get at this time and point. We are in an information age, and I mean, things are just going so fast, and information is just being digested at such a fast rate that man, anything that you can learn right now, you definitely want to learn it. Take advantage of this, and don't miss a beat. Okay. Now, the Ethtrade company was founded in 2015. This is all very new technology. but it was created by Eric Bondi and Michael Frandowski. Okay, the online platform at Ethtrade.org was launched just in April 2016. So this is a very new opportunity. You can take advantage of this. You can get in on this and take advantage of it before any and everybody get into it, okay? Because any and everybody will get into it, all right? Just like, grandmas weren't on Facebook at first, but now grandmas are on Facebook. So before this thing blows up, which we know it will, take advantage right now, okay? Now, the Ethtrade platform is presented in 10 languages, okay? So it doesn't matter if English is not your native language, okay? We also got this thing in Indonesian, Vietnamese, Chinese, Spanish, German, Portuguese, Russian, Turkish, Czech. It's provided in 37 countries with more than 100,000 active members already, okay? But that's not even the tip of the iceberg yet, okay? This is still a ground floor opportunity with plenty room of growth, okay? Now, we've created our own exchange office. We have prepared all the marketing materials for promotion. Banners, promotional content, a corporate identity, all of that, all right? We even created an agency program for opening up Ethtrade clubs in your local area, all right? Now, publications periodically go out about Ethereum and cryptocurrencies. We have that set up already for you, okay? We've also developed a program for beginners in trading, all right? So if you're very new to this, don't worry about it, because we will groom you in this space, all right? Now, this company has already earned $1.5 million, and we are definitely headed much higher than that, okay? Our partners or our affiliates have earned more than $300,000, okay? So pay attention to what's going on, all right? This is something that you do not want to miss out on, okay? Now, here's the team, here's the mission, okay? We're committed to the maximum effective popularization of Ethereum, all right? Its capabilities and its prospects, as well as the implementation of asset management program and obtaining financial gain through trading activities on the cryptocurrency exchanges, all right? Eric Bondi, Jay Shin, Jack Wood, Michael Frandowski, all of these people are reachable, okay? If you reach out to any one of these guys, they are definitely there to help you, okay? They are committed to this thing, by any means necessary. So how do they do it? And what are the results, okay? Our company of traders operate in currency pairs ETH and BTC, okay? So how are we doing this? And what's the result? Okay, our company of traders operate in currency pairs ETC to BTC. I'm sorry, ETH. All right, and there's actually a such thing as ETC, so excuse me. ETH to BTC and ETH to USD, okay? And even other altcoins. But you'll find out what ETH and BTC and ETH and USD, if you don't know what those mean already, and altcoins. And again, do not worry about the technical details, okay? But anyway, we operate in these currency pairs and offer an increase on your initial investment up to 25%, okay, on a monthly basis due to the financial management services through our Ethtrade program, all right? Now, again, we've earned 1.5, and I'll give you some exact numbers. $1,534,510 has been earned by the company, okay? That's a 251 total company profit, all right? We're in 37 countries, and we have a total of 107,538 members, okay? Now, if you don't believe me, again, this is a very transparent company, and we always send out a financial report to let you know exactly what we've done and how we're trading and why we're trading, how we're trading, all right? All right, let me run through this real quick. I'm going to show you the scheme of the company as a 4-step process. It's very easy to get started, okay? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get a free registration, okay? Now, to open an account, the only thing you need to do is enter your email address. That's going to be sufficient to open up a new account, all right? Now, step 2, you're going to transfer an investment of funds to the trust of our traders, okay? And you can start with something as low as $10, okay? So, again, we're not asking you for thousands. You can start investing with something as low as $10, okay? Now, after that, keep this in mind. You're now trading with Ethereum on the cryptocurrency exchanges, and you're going to also be getting that weekly reporting from our traders. All right, so you're going to get a weekly financial report, and it's going to show you everything. Okay, transparency is one of the best things I love about this company. Okay, now step 4 is we're going to get paid now. Okay, it's an equal division of the final profit between the company and its investors. All right, so everybody eats. Okay, now let me break it down a little bit more, give you some examples and some. Profit is accrued in the same currency in which you invest, okay, without the conversion to USD. All right, so check this out. For example, on the 30th of April 2016, you created a portfolio of 10 Bitcoin when one Bitcoin was worth 500 bucks. All right, now the average profit margin on a deposit is 20% per month. Okay, now the price reached 662 for one Bitcoin on July 20th, 2016. Okay, now the profit on Ethtrade platform for 3 months is on an average about 20%. Okay, so 3 months times 20% is 60%, right? Okay, now check this out. If we took those 10 Bitcoin and multiply that by 60%, that's a return on your investment of 6 whole Bitcoin. All right, now 6 Bitcoin times 500, that's $3,000. Okay, now check this out. They said our additional profit due to the growth of Bitcoin, because this is a very volatile market. Remember, now the prices fluctuate. Okay, so the price, the profit due because of the growth of Bitcoin is 162 bucks. Okay, because 662 minus 500 is 162. Okay, now we take that 162 and we time that by those 10 Bitcoins that we have, and that's an additional $1,620 on top of that $3,000 for those six Bitcoin, right? So that's about $4,600, okay, just by investing those 10 Bitcoins for 3 months. All right. So the total profit from investment in Bitcoin growth is 6 Bitcoin plus $1,620. All right. Now, all right, you probably already know by now everything in life has levels. Okay, and in this company, I want to show you what some of the levels are and break down them so you have a better understanding. Okay, we do have 5 levels that you can earn up under. Frontier being the first one, Homestead, Metropolis, Serenity, and Co-founder. And take notice at the first 2 levels. The first 2 levels actually only pay 3 lines down. Okay, and you also earn bonus from the deposit and also bonus from the profit. Okay, now the last 3 levels you actually earn 5 lines down. Okay, and again a bonus from the deposit and a bonus from the profit. Okay, now Frontier, this status is given to you as soon as you register an account, and your bonus from the deposit, the first line, you're going to be getting 3% from the first line, 2% from the second line, and 1% of a bonus per deposit from the third line. Okay, the bonus from the profit is 3% from the first line and 1% each other line. Okay, your weekly limit for your investment is $500, and your weekly withdrawal limit is $300. Now the second level is Homestead. Turnover of your structure has reached the amount of $5,000, or the amount of your personal investment portfolio is $500. Okay, now again, the bonus from your deposit, I'm telling you, if you're bringing people in on the first line, the second line, and the third line, you're making money on each one of these lines from the deposit and from the profit of each one of your team members. Okay, the first line is 7% in this case. The second line is 3%, and the third line is 1%. All right, now that's from the deposit. Now also from the profit, on the first line we're earning 5%, the second line 3%, and the third line 1%. Okay, now your weekly limit for your investment is $1,000, and the amount that you can withdraw on a weekly basis is $500. Okay, now the next level is a Metropolis. All right, now you reach this once the turnover of your structure has reached $30,000, or the amount of your personal portfolio is $3,000. Okay, and now check this out. Now we getting paid 5 lines down. Okay, and the first line is just went up to 10%. 10% bonus from every deposit from everybody in your first line. Okay, now The second line is 3%, and the third through the fifth line is 1%, okay? Now, from the profit of each person that you actually bring in, on the front line, we on the Metropolis, right? On the front line is 7%. The second line is 3%. The third line is also 3%. And the fourth and the fifth line is 1%, okay? Now, your weekly investment is $3,000 up under this status. And your weekly withdrawal limit is $1,000, all right? Now, the next level is the Serenity level, okay? And you reach this level once the turnover of your structure has reached $100,000 or the amount of your personal investment portfolio is $10,000, okay? Now, again, the first line, the bonus from your deposits is 10%. The second line is 5%. The third and the fourth line is 3%. And the fifth line is 1%, okay? Now, for the bonus from your deposits that your team actually makes is 10% from the first line, 5% from the second line, 3% from the third and the fourth line, and 1% from the fifth line, okay? Your weekly investment limit is $5,000, and your weekly withdrawal limit is $2,000, okay? Now, the last level is the co-founder level, all right? And this is once the turnover of your structure has reached the total of $500,000, or the amount of your personal investment portfolio is $30,000, okay? And we paying 5 lines down, okay? So on the first line, everybody that you personally enroll into this, you're gonna be earning a bonus from their deposit of 12%, okay? The second line is 5%. The third, fourth, and the fifth line, you're getting 3% bonus from anything that they deposit, all right? Now, the bonus from the profit is the first line 10%, the second line 7%, the third line 5%, and the fourth and the fifth line 3%. All right. Now your weekly investment limit is $7,000, and your weekly withdrawal limit is $3,000. Okay. So we are earning money. I'm talking about life-changing income. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I know you probably want a little bit more information. You probably want to contact the company. Please, by all means, go right ahead. The customer support is available daily, okay? The Ethtrade platform is right now operating in 7 languages, okay? Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., okay? You can get an answer to any question through our online chat, or a phone call. Either way, okay? Check us out on either one of the social medias. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, all of the proper ones. Check us out right there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. And again, be free with this decentralization. Control your money, control your assets. Be a part of this powerful idea. Be a part of the future. Join us today, okay? I know you're ready to take control of your assets. I know you're ready to get some more information on how you can, invest in these cryptocurrencies. I know you want to use some of the expertise here at the Ethtrade community. Use some of the tools. Just definitely take advantage of the opportunity. You see it's here. You see it's yours for the taking. So thanks again for checking this video out. Thanks again for checking this company out. And I will see you on the inside. Peace.